If you've been searching for a fifth wheel that packs in a surprising amount of sleeping space without stretching past that sweet mid-size length, you're going to want to see this one. A lot of RVs force you to choose between family-friendly sleeping capacity and easy campground access, but this layout manages to bring both together in a really smart way. Today on RVenture Life, we're taking a full tour of a bunkhouse fifth wheel that delivers impressive functionality, comfortable living space, and enough room for the whole crew while still staying within a manageable size for travel. Let's start outside and then work our way through everything this RV has to offer. Right away, one of the biggest advantages here is the overall length. Coming in at just under the 36-foot mark, this fifth wheel sits in that sweet spot where you still get a spacious interior without moving into the oversized category. That means easier maneuvering, more campground options, and a setup that feels less intimidating for many RV owners. This is designed as a mid-size fifth wheel, which brings some important benefits. The overall weight stays more manageable, helping keep towing requirements reasonable. At the same time, the manufacturer has focused on maximizing every inch of available space, instead of simply making the RV larger. Walking around the exterior, you'll notice the clean profile and modern styling. The front cap has a sleek look while still maintaining practical storage areas and easy access to key components. As we step through the entry door, the first thing that stands out is the openness. For a family-oriented fifth wheel, the floor space here is excellent. The slide creates a roomy central living area that immediately feels inviting. Whether you're traveling with kids, hosting guests, or simply enjoying a rainy day indoors, that extra open space makes a huge difference. Directly across from the entertainment area, you'll find a large U-shaped dinette. This setup does more than provide a comfortable place to eat. It also creates a great gathering area for board games, family meals, remote work, or simply relaxing after a day outdoors. Another major advantage is that the dinette converts into additional sleeping space when needed. Next to it, the sofa adds even more flexibility. Like the dinette, it can transform into another sleeping area, making this RV capable of accommodating extra guests without feeling overcrowded. The overall seating arrangement creates a comfortable living room environment, while also increasing the RV's sleeping capacity. Moving into the kitchen, you'll notice a practical L-shaped design. This layout keeps everything within easy reach while preserving plenty of walking space. Storage is one of the strongest features here. Multiple drawers provide room for utensils, cookware, and everyday necessities. Cabinet space is distributed throughout the kitchen, so you can stay organized during longer trips. The countertop space is surprisingly generous for a mid-size fifth wheel. Whether you're preparing breakfast, making sandwiches for a day of exploring, or cooking a full dinner, there's enough room to work comfortably. A flip-up countertop extension provides even more prep space whenever needed. The kitchen also includes a large stainless steel sink that makes cleanup easier after meals. Below the sink, there's additional storage along with access to plumbing components for maintenance when necessary. The refrigerator and freezer combination offers plenty of room for groceries, drinks, and frozen items, making extended camping trips much more convenient. Throughout the kitchen and living area, you'll also find multiple outlets and charging locations, helping keep phones, tablets, and other devices powered up. Overhead cabinets continue the storage theme, ensuring that even larger families have enough room for their gear. Another feature worth mentioning is the climate control system. With dual air conditioners and ducted airflow throughout the coach, this RV is built to stay comfortable during warmer weather. Ventilation has also been carefully considered, helping maintain good airflow throughout the interior. Now, let's move toward one of the biggest highlights of this floor plan, the bunk room. A sliding pocket door separates the rear bunk area from the main living space, creating additional privacy when needed. Inside, the bunk configuration is extremely practical. The L-shaped design allows taller sleepers to stretch out more comfortably compared to traditional stacked bunks. That extra length can make a major difference, especially for growing kids or adult guests. Storage throughout the bunk room is excellent. There are multiple drawers, shelves, cubbies, and storage compartments that allow everyone to keep their belongings organized. This area can easily function as a dedicated kids zone, guest room, or even a flexible multi-purpose space, depending on how you travel. There's also room for entertainment options, making this a great hangout area during downtime. Large windows bring in natural light, while blackout shades provide privacy and help block sunlight when it's time to sleep. USB ports and power outlets ensure everyone can keep devices charged. The rear area feels surprisingly spacious and capable of accommodating several children comfortably. Heading back toward the center of the RV, we come to the control station. This centralized area gives you convenient access to key RV functions. Lighting controls, tank monitoring systems, slide operation, and awning controls are all easy to access from one location. Having everything organized in one place. Now, let's head upstairs to the bathroom and master bedroom. One of the most impressive aspects of this upper deck is the ceiling height. Many fifth wheels force taller individuals to duck constantly, but this layout provides noticeably more headroom than expected. That extra space creates a more comfortable experience throughout the upper section of the RV. Starting in the bathroom, the shower immediately stands out. The design provides excellent standing room, making it far more comfortable for taller campers. Even without relying on an oversized skylight, the shower area feels open and usable. A glass shower enclosure adds a more residential feel while helping keep water contained. Next to the shower, you'll find a large vanity area complete with mirror, storage cabinet, and ample counter space. The sink itself is generously sized, making everyday routines much easier. Moving into the master bedroom, you'll find a north-south queen bed positioned for easy access from both sides. Storage surrounds the bed, providing convenient locations for clothing, books, electronics, and other essentials. USB ports and power outlets on both sides add convenience for charging devices overnight. Overhead shelving creates additional storage opportunities while maintaining an open feel. The bedroom also includes a wardrobe area that can be used for hanging clothes and longer-term travel necessities. For campers who prefer maximum storage, this setup works extremely well. There's also space that can be adapted for laundry equipment depending on personal preferences, giving owners flexibility based on how they travel. A dedicated TV location allows for entertainment in the bedroom without sacrificing storage. Even though the ceiling slopes toward the front, the overall bedroom remains comfortable and functional. Now, let's head back outside and take a closer look at the exterior features. Pass-through storage is one of the most important features for many RV owners, and this fifth wheel delivers a generous compartment capable of handling camping gear, chairs, tools, and other larger items. The storage area is clean, accessible, and designed to make loading and unloading easier. You'll also find upgraded suspension components that help improve ride quality while traveling. That means a smoother experience on the road and better overall towing performance. An outdoor kitchen adds another layer of convenience. With a griddle, mini refrigerator, countertop space, and power access, outdoor cooking becomes simple and enjoyable. Whether you're making breakfast at the campsite or preparing dinner under the awning, this setup helps keep cooking activities outside when desired. The fully enclosed underbelly enhances protection and contributes to improved four-season capability. A large rooftop solar panel helps support off-grid adventures while providing additional charging capability for your battery system. At the rear, there's also a hitch receiver that allows for additional utility and flexibility depending on your camping needs. The roof area includes multiple air conditioning units and carefully finished ceiling points. Regular inspection and maintenance of these areas can help ensure years of reliable ownership. Additional exterior conveniences include water management connections, outdoor shower access, tank controls, propane storage, and battery management components. Everything is laid out in a way that makes setup and operation straightforward. Overall, this fifth wheel does an excellent job balancing family-friendly sleeping capacity, practical storage, comfortable living space, and manageable towing characteristics. The bunk room offers tremendous flexibility. The kitchen is highly functional. The bathroom provides impressive headroom, and the bedroom creates a comfortable retreat at the end of the day. For families, weekend adventurers, or travelers who frequently host guests, this floor plan checks a lot of important boxes. And that's our full tour here on RVenture Life. If you enjoy discovering unique RV layouts, smart floor plans, and the latest fifth wheel innovations, make sure you stay tuned for more RV walkthroughs and adventures ahead. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next RVenture Life tour.